Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. I love bold, big volume lashes, but unfortunately I wasn't born with them. So I am constantly looking for the best and easiest ways to achieve the look. Today in the Kathleen Color Lab, I am testing the Velour Eyeliner Lash Adhesive Hybrid. This product claims that if you can do eyeliner, you can do lashes. But is it really that easy? Let's find out. Okay, I'm impressed. It really was easy to apply. But will my lashes stay on my eyes all day long? And what about the corners? It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen Color scale, I give this product a 5. Things I like about this liner are that it lasted all day, the corners stayed in place, it's easy to apply, there's no waiting for it to dry down, which makes it quick and easy. You can also use any type of false lash, which creates lots of different looks. Now, before you apply this liner, I have 3 tips that you need to know. Number 1, make sure you apply enough liner to cover the length of your lash strip. Number 2, make sure your line is thick enough to adhere to your lashes. I recommend 2 coats. Number 3, use a lash applicator or tweezers to press your lashes in. This prevents the line from transferring to your lids and fingers. To remove your lashes, use a Q-tip with a little bit of eye makeup remover and wiggle it at the base of your lashes. Then, starting at one corner, pull straight across. The Velour Eyeliner and Lash Hybrid is a great and easy way to apply false lashes. And if you want to know how to apply magnetic lashes, check out my video in the notes below. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.